Hey everyone, today we're going to try and do some drop shipping, all right? We're going to try and get some realistic results. I've only made 4 stores. This is going to be my 5th. Let's try and find some good products. We're going to be trying to do some TikTok organic marketing. I've been watching some videos. I know what I'm talking about. Trust me, I'm going to be driving a Ferrari after this video. Let's see how much money we can make. And let's go build this Shopify store. I was on Instagram the other day, and you guys know that the first part of selling something online is having something to sell. So I was on Instagram, and I found this little display case. It's like polyester film, and it stretches. And so you can put things in it, and it looks like they're floating, whatever. It looks modern. People dig it. And I was thinking, dang, I would buy that, and I did buy that. So I was like, oh, other people would buy that too. I guess we're gonna find out. People will buy it. Let's get this thing shipped to my house. I have to go order it on Amazon. It's like 20 bucks for 20 of them. So we're gonna be like 24 in the hole. All right, guys. So we made the store and we have it live. Now we're gonna run some ads. So I'm gonna try some TikTok organic and we're gonna see how it goes. That's the free method of advertising. So what you do is you make TikTok videos like on a normal account and try and get one to go viral, and just try and get people to kind of go to your website based off of that. It's a little bit harder. It's not really like pay to get orders. It's a lot cheaper and a lot, less risk involved because you don't have to pay for ads. So we're gonna try that. If that doesn't work, we'll try some paid ads, and if that doesn't work, we're not gonna do it anymore. I don't know what to say. So let's give it a shot, and let's see how this first day goes. No way. All right, I was editing my store and I got my first sale. This might work. Let's go. I can't believe I made a sale. It's the first time I've ever even made a sale. So there we go. One sale. Let's see if we can get some more. All right, so we got the first sale. Now I'm just trying to pump out TikToks. Like, I'm making TikToks maybe 3 or 4 a day. And we're going to see for a week if we can get this product to get a couple more sales. If not, we'll move on and try and find another product. But right now, the videos are getting like 2, 3, 4,000 views. I'm trying to see if we can get a viral video. If we can get one viral video that gets over like 10,000 views or more, 60,000 views, I feel like we can make a lot of sales on this product. So we'll see. I'll catch back up with you guys when something happens, something video worth. I've been posting like 4 videos an hour on 2 different TikTok accounts, and some of them are like at 8,000 views and such, but I can't push it over. So I'm going to try and switch up the strategy for today. I'm going to try and post maybe videos without Hot Wheels, and maybe I'm going to try and do some crystals or some rocks, try and reach a different audience. We'll see how that works. This product, I feel like it's there. I just need a viral video. There's a lot of interest in it, and I don't want to give up on it just yet. And also, while I'm sitting here looking at this, I think maybe if we lowered our price just a bit, if we took a little bit from our profits, we are making about, I'd say, 100% profit margins. If we scaled that down and I say brought down the price, I'm selling at 24. I buy for 11. If we brought down that price maybe to 19.98 or just a bit lower, 17 something, a little friendlier number, maybe we'll be able to convert more, but we'll try that tomorrow. I'm going to hold out tonight and see if we can get at least one more order at $24. I just got a notification. I'm laying on my couch making videos for the TikTok. Just got another notification that we got another sale. And let's refresh. There it is. Sale number 2. Wow. I told you guys this product might work. All right. I just need to advertise it more, figure out the price, and I think we might have a winning product on our hands. They just won't push my videos on my account. The one video is still getting views at 14,000 now, so hopefully it just takes off overnight to maybe 100,000 or something. We need 1,000 followers to put the link in our bio, so if we can get that, that'd be nice. We'll see. It's 7 o'clock. It's starting to dwindle down, but then again, people are starting to get on social media after work. We'll see what happens. Anything can happen. Then again, it's only day number 2, and we could definitely make a lot more money off this product. So I'm back from school. 0 sales. Not even a single add to cart today. So it's looking rough. And my TikTok is still not pushing my videos, so there's really no way for me to advertise, so we might be done with this product and might have to move on. And as I thought, all hope was lost. 9:16 p.m. I'm looking for toy cars, and I just got a notification that we got a 3-item sale. All right, guys, I just woke up, and I ran into a very bad problem yesterday, and we're going to talk about it and how I think I solved it. So, on the store, when you make a Shopify store, international shipping isn't on, and that's a problem. So, it's been about a week since we started the store. I've only had 2 sales, and for some reason, a lot of people I'm getting are from like Colombia and Mexico, and I couldn't ship there. So I missed out on a bunch of sales. My TikTok got 100,000 views from organic views, and all of those people weren't able to check out. And I still think I might be having a problem, because if you kind of like glance over here, I have 2 people currently checking out and not a single sale. No one is able to buy anything, I don't think, and I don't know why.